Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Chipotle Mexican Grill mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so using the Chipotle app is a convenient way to order your favorite meals, customize your food, and even earn rewards. So what we first need to do is go to our Player App Store and download and install the Chipotle mobile app. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it up and you'll be taken to a page that looks similar to this. From here, we need to go ahead and create an account. So on the top left-hand corner of the page, it will say sign in or create an account. Go ahead and create an account. Now, once you've created an account, we've got to decide if we're going to do pickup or delivery. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do a pickup, and then for under that, I can choose a location. So we can go ahead and search for a location or choose one down below that's near you. So I'm going to choose this one here. So I'm going to pick up from this one. And then from here, we want to go ahead and look at the menu to see what we want to order. So we can order from burritos, burrito bowls, tacos, salads. We can build your own kids chips and sides, drinks and all that. So for this demonstration, I want to order some tacos. So I want to order 3 tacos. I want to do chicken, steak, chicken add to bag, and also scroll down. I want it to be a soft tortilla, and then I want some black beans in there too. So I'm going to click add to bag, and now it will say one item in bag. Let's go have a look at it. So that's my item here. If I want to make any edits or remove it, I can while I'm inside my bag. From here, I can add more items if I like. So I want to add some chips and guacamole or just chips. I'm going to add this too. You don't have to, it's just a little side. And then from here, I want to go continue to pick up. And then it will say your details, so your name, your email address, you can put in your phone number if you like as well. You can choose a pickup time. So if I want to be the quickest, I can do 10 a.m. if I like, or 10:10. So for example, I'm going to do, let's have a look here, 10:10. Pickup location, Chipotle the Walk Mall. The pickup info, grab your orders from our pickup shelves, and then continue to payment. From here, we need to put in our mobile number and then click on continue to payment where you put in your payment details. So you can pay securely using Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit or debit cards or gift cards. You can also split payments between multiple methods if needed, but just depending in what region you are. Then from there, once you made your payment, head on over to the store and pick up your meal.